Hi everyone, it's Tara. Welcome back to Tara's Take. So we are here with the generator for our YouTube video. This is for the giveaway, and I am putting in the link to the video. Okay, and then we're going to go down here, and I'm going to do this sum real quick. This is your prove you're not a robot sum. And over here's the generator. We're going to get the YouTube comments. There's 26 of them. I don't know if you can quite see that, but when I hit on that, it says 26. Okay? So let's pull this back so you can watch it. All right. And I'm just going to hit the start button. Drum roll, please. Here we go, guys. This is our winner, Kathy Wilson. Yay, Kathy, congratulations. You win the 2 digital kits from my shop, your choice. All I need you to do is I need you to send me either an email or Facebook me on Messenger. Under Facebook, I'm Tara Strahan. Terra Strahan, Strahan. And then if you want to email me instead, it's tarastrahan@gmail.com. And we will discuss which ones you want and all that good stuff. And you'll just need to visit Tara's Take on Etsy and check out the digital kits and let me know which 2 that you would like to have. Also, can you comment, please, in this video and let me know that you have sent me a message if you send me an email, because I don't always get notifications and I want to make sure and get that. So congratulations, Kathy. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for the support of all of you. I could not have reached this subscription level without you guys. I love you guys so much, and I mean that with all my heart. I wish I could do more right now for the giveaway. Hopefully, by the next time I do a milestone, I will be able to do a little bit more. And but I hope that you will enjoy your kits, Kathy. So I'm going to say bye for now. God bless you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.